Assalamualaikum and welcome to Math Camp. So in today's video we are going to continue with exercise 2.6 and I'm going to solve question number 11 and 12. So here on my screen you can see question number 11, which is under cube root 81 upon 125. So in order to solve this question, the first step will be that we know that 81 is equals to 3 raised to the power of 4. That means 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 is 81, and 125 is the cube of 5. That means when we are going to multiply 5 3 times, we're going to get the answer 125. So let's start up with the question. Firstly, we're going to write over here 3, and as there is a cube root, we know that 3 cube, and then as there is a cube root, so 1 upon 3 and 3 under root 3 divided by 5, because 125 is the cube of 5, so 5 cube multiplied by fraction indice of cube, that is 1 upon 3, as we've learned before in my previous videos. Now 3 cube root inside 3 and then divided by 5, because this 3 will be cancelled with this 3 and this 3 will be cancelled with this 3, so definitely actually this 3 is over here, so we're going to copy this as same over here, and we're going to copy this as same over here, so we are going to get answer 3 under cube root 3 divided by 5. Now moving ahead to question number 12, which is under nth root q upon under m root q. Now in order to solve this question, we can copy down the question as same like this, and then we know that over here according to the fraction indice, q has the power of 1 upon n, and then when this division sign will go to other side, it will reciprocate and then it will convert itself into q 1 upon m. It will multiply over here. But firstly we are going to do one more step over here. Sorry, I missed it out. And then we will have to solve this question. After that, as we are having the basis same, but definitely we are having both of the powers in the form of fractional indice, so we can solve it like this: q m minus n upon mn, which is equals to the answer of under mn root q m minus n. So this is the answer of question number 12. So again I'm going to recall that this is the first step, this is the second step, this is the third step, this is the fourth step, and this is the fifth step, which is our final answer. I hope that you all must have understood question number 11 and 12, and I hope that you are going to follow my channel, and you people are going to subscribe to my channel, and obviously you will also click the bell icon. So please, if you have understood the concepts and if you have liked the video, please give a big thumbs up to this video, and thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.